Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how you can easily link PayPal to your Gcash. So first of all, open up your Gcash and log into your account. Once you are in, the first step is you just need to tap on profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen and then go for my linked accounts under profile limits. Now as you can see, we have the option of PayPal under American Express Virtual Pay. So you just need to tap on this. So right now for some reason my PayPal is not opening. So what you need to do is to simply log in with your PayPal account. Make sure to enter the right email address and your password. And once you have successfully linked your PayPal account, you just need to tap on the cash in button on the top right, and we have the option of PayPal. So if you don't see this, tap on global partners and remittance and you will see the option of PayPal there. So from there you can simply add money from your PayPal directly to your Gcash as well. So that was the process of how you can easily link PayPal to Gcash.